Alright, look what I got from Amazon. This is Yasuo League of Legends, a collectible. Look, it's a first edition. It came in like this, opened up it already. Someone already got a sneak peek at it. Yasuo, the Unforgiven. Disgrace. Just like he is in-game. He's a disgrace if you play him in-game. Don't play Yasuo, unless you have like 0 ping. Then you can maybe give him a try. But yeah, look at that. It came in like that. Already open. Look, just slips right out. Look at his eyes, dude. Look at his eyes. Oh my god. Just like a real Yasuo player. Crooked eyes. Oh, he's tied in. Well, at least he's secure. At least he's secure. He has that safety belt in. Come on. Oh man, this is elastic. I need the scissors. I'm not gonna do this with scissors. I'm not weak. I'll start with his sword. Whoop. That just slips out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Be free. Be free, Yasuo. Be free. Just... I do need the scissors. How is this so... Alright, we got him free. Look at this guy. Look at those eyes. I'm not just saying that because he's Asian. They're actually, like, kind of... He's actually, like, cross-eyed. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Broken ankle, Yasuo. You know, perfect to be on your desk. Oh, man. Are the arms really not... I mean, the arms can kind of go up and down. They look like they're ball joints, so they should be able to go, like, that way. I feel like I'm going to break it. Oh, I feel so crunchy. Not crunchy. Crunchy's a bad word. Just, like, rubbery. Head swivels. This is kind of soft plasticky. We got a little League of Legends. Stand. Urgh. Got his little sword. His little wind sword. Oh man, his hands are kind of ugly, like my hands, man. But he came out the box like this. I'm just dirty. I don't know which hand he holds his sword with, but... You know. That's pretty... That's okay. He's posable. Does the sword go in the sheath? Does the sword go in the sheath? There's a hole. It looks like it can. It looks like it can. It does! I was sticking it in the wrong way. I know he picks up the sword with this hand. Something like that. He holds it with this hand. Something like that. And it's just, I can't get him to pose. He definitely needs some breaking in. But, yeah, it's Yasuo. I mean, if I was into these League of Legends figures, I would like it. His face looks real silly. His face looks real silly. I actually got this for a friend, and since it came in damage, yeah, I'm gonna have to return it because he likes his boxes. That's alright. Whoop. Whoop. Only for $10. You know what? Can't really complain. It's a Yasuo figure. Definitely. Alright, well, that's this.